Do you want to know how you can like artworks in Wombo Dream? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can like other people's artworks in Wombo Dream. Go ahead and open Wombo Dream, which is on your phone. Now you can see the community artworks if you scroll down. You can go ahead and open your artwork and you can see the love button which is over here. Go ahead and click it and you can see that you have liked this artwork. Now let me show it to you once again. Choose the artwork which you want to like and then you can see the like button here. Or else you can just like the artwork from here. You can see the love button, press it and then you will like the artwork. I hope this video about how you can like artworks in Wombo Dream was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.